to my channel. I'm Shar if this is your first time here, and welcome back to another vlog. So happy Saturday, guys. I actually just made it to my appointment. I have a lash appointment in 5 minutes to get a refill. So yeah, just wanted to come on and start the vlog. I'll see you guys once my lashes are refilled.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Ask him to demonstrate.
Stop.
Enseñanos cómo lo hizo.
Stop, doggy. Leave her alone. Say, leave me alone, doggy. Don't hit him. Stop. She's sorry. Say sorry. Okay, she's sorry. Say hi, Onyx.
Thinking as a shooter. He slipped.
Ask him if he wants to come back to the house. Check photos.
He's a Pilgrim. No. It's scary.
There you go. So it is later on in the day.
Amazing husband, just great friends.
Jacob Ferrara is a lifelong friend of 45-year-old Trevor Brown, the firefighter, as a result of the explosion.
What's up, guys? It is now later on in the day, and I have now got myself together. I just have to put on my lipstick, of course, so I need to do that and put on my perfume. But yeah, me and babe are about to go and step out for a minute just to go have some. We were supposed to do lunch, y'all, but it is, y'all, it's 5:02, so this is now running into dinner, okay? So we about to go out and have dinner and drinks. This is our last day off before back to work tomorrow. So yeah, last day on vacation. We about to go end it with just a little food, drinks, and quality time. You know, not too much because I don't like leaving my baby in the house too long by himself. I just have on all black and this like little cropped army jacket, nothing too much. I have to go upstairs and find me a lipstick to put on. Probably just gonna put on my red, child. Y'all know me, but we will see. And yeah, that's my boy. My boy's been around here acting real cute today, y'all, since he ain't got a bath. But yeah, I'm about to have to leave him in here by himself, so I feel a little bad about that, but he be alright. But I'll show you guys the outfit or whatever once hubby gets out the bathroom and we head on out to go get some food. I think we're going to just go to Texas Roadhouse. So yeah, but we'll see.
Walker, thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to get the distractions up off you for enough time to
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my yearning. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wondering.
Everybody getting what you get.
I'm so fly as I had it. Get like me. Hey, ever see the Chevy with a get like me? Hey, ever see the Chevy with a get like me? Hey, ever see the Chevy with the butterfly door? Stunt as I had it.
Gain a boost with a
Stunt as I had it.
them coaches.
Stunt as I had it. Put it in the air.
Oh my gosh, did y'all hear that pop? Child, that's why I don't be cooking scrapple all the time. But it's so good. Making me some breakfast before I log back into work. Taking me on my little 15-minute break right now. So this was just something quick. I'm starving. I've already been to the gym this morning. Had a good workout. Oh, happy Monday. Yes, about to make me some coffee. That's how I'll use my Bourbon Street mug today that I got from New Orleans. So cute, right? Maybe it's a sign. It's time for me to go back. I really want to go back though, y'all. I had so much fun there. Oh my gosh. I just used the Dunkin' Donuts original blend. So good. Ooh, don't pop. Okay. It's supposed to be really nice today, you guys. Almost hitting like 60 degrees. So I am going to try to get out the house today after work. I have just been like in a really bad mood, you guys, and I don't know what is going on. So I'm trying to get out today. Maybe the sun, well, hopefully the sun will do me some good. But I can say I actually feel pretty okay today that I went to the gym this morning. So I do feel much better than I have been feeling like for the past couple of days. Yeah, y'all, your girl just, I don't know. But I made me a, I'll talk to y'all though about it a little bit later, child. We just gonna talk, we're gonna have to get into it. Breakfast is served. Yummers, 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 yummers. Hey y'all, so it is the next day. I know I was supposed to come back to you guys yesterday, but obviously I didn't. And no, I didn't even make it outside yesterday, even though it was a nice day. My behind sat here and fell asleep yesterday like about 5 o'clock, child, and woke up like about 7:30. So the day was just gone. I got up, took the dog out, you know, fed him, shower, and just went back to bed for the rest of the night. So here I am now. So like I said, it's the next day. I did get up and go to the gym this morning, and I'm now sitting here working, still looking crazy, but at this point, y'all, I don't even care. But hopefully today I will be able to get myself together today once I get off of work. I did get all of my clothes washed on yesterday, so I do feel good about that. I'm just not feeling myself, you know. Yeah, just wanted to come on and give an update because I left you guys hanging on yesterday, and yeah, I'll hopefully see you guys once I get off today and I don't still look like that.
Before, baby boy, I'm gonna disturb you now. If you thought I was disturbed before, baby girl, I'm gonna disturb you.
It's so dang on bright from this sun. You know, if y'all can see me, it look that bright. I'm chasing it. Yes, I do. Cause these are needed, child. Okay, son. It's sure cold out here though for the sun to be out here shining so bright. Is that bad? Oh no, that don't, nothing, child, nothing. I don't know if y'all can see me or not, y'all, but I am on the way to the grocery store. I did a couple of online orders that I need to pick up from BJ's and from Walmart. The BJ's order is ready. The Walmart order is not ready yet, which is kind of throwing me off because I also want to stop past, you know, my regular grocery store, and then I want to try out Aldi's, and it's this other grocery store here called Little or something like that, but girl is trying to save some money, so I want to try these, you know, see what I can get from Aldi's and from the store Little as far as the produce and everything, because I heard they have like pretty good produce. So I do need to stock up on my fruits and everything. Girl, like I said, sis is on a serious budget. Call y'all back once I get inside of the store or something, because it's too bright and I don't even know if y'all can see me.
Oh, yes. And you want me to take a picture of both of y'all?
Sure. That crab cake looks fucking good. You want some? Of course I do.